Come to think about it, fuck what you thought, I'm just a kid. Come to think about it, fuck what you thought, I'm killing bitches. Come to think about it, if you know who I am, come to think about it. This be the doctor in my hand, come to think about it. Oh shit, I am the man, come to think about it. I am hot as I am, come to think about it. You can't fuck with me. If you wanted to try me, then nigga, I fuck with me. I can't fuck with you, cause I have to leave. Rolling weed up, and then I see the green. Oh shit. Kill him softly, nigga, get up off me. Nigga like the style that you have to taunt me. Cause I'm haunting niggas in my nightmares. This right here is the hard night scare. Oh shit, this is the sweet beat. Get him softly like the Swiss beats. Say that little shit made my motherfucking blood go out. Oh, that ain't even good though. But yeah, tell me what y'all like about that little freestyle in this instrumental.